Hey guys. So today I wanted to share something pretty unexpected that happened while I was trying to get more diamonds in Last Z Survival Shooter. You know the struggle? You're right in the middle of upgrading your stuff, everything's going great, and suddenly you run out of diamonds. It always hits at the worst moment, and honestly, I got tired of it. So, I started searching again for a working method. Most of the things I found were the usual junk. Surveys that go nowhere, broken links, stuff that looks like it was made 10 years ago. But then, I came across a source that kind of stood out. It looked clean, simple, not overloaded with ads. And I thought, all right, maybe this one is worth a shot. Before doing anything, I opened Last Z Survival Shooter and checked my current diamond count. I always do that just so I know for sure if something changes later. After that, I closed the game and went straight to the site. I scrolled through the options until I found the one for Last Z, tapped it, and this tool showed up where I had to enter my game ID, my device type, and the amount of diamonds I wanted. I filled everything in, hit the button to start the process, and the generator began doing its thing. Connecting, loading bars, moving, the usual. For a moment it slowed down and I thought it was going to freeze, but then it pushed through. Then came the verification step. But this time, instead of playing another game to a certain level, it asked me to download a specific app and keep it open for at least 30 seconds. That was it. No leveling, no grinding, nothing complicated. I thought, well, that's not too bad. So I downloaded the app, opened it, and just let it run while I tapped around for a bit. I made sure to stay inside the app for more than 30 seconds, probably closer to a minute just to be safe. Once I completed that part, I went back to the generator tab and then reopened Last Z Survival Shooter. And yeah, I actually paused because the diamonds were already added. They just appeared there like I had bought them. I tested it by spending some on a small upgrade, and everything worked perfectly. I'm honestly still kind of surprised because I've tried so many methods in the past and almost all of them were useless. But this one, as long as you do that verification step properly, especially keeping that app open long enough, it actually works. So yeah, that was my little experience. If you're low on diamonds and you've got half a minute to run an app, this method is pretty quick. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want me to test more of these things, feel free to like, share, or subscribe. I'll keep digging around for stuff that really works. See you all in the next one.